Hey guys, this is the start of my next vlog. We're at the motocross track in Sterling, Colorado. It's right over there. Anyways, it's awesome. It looks sweet. I'll do some vlogging throughout the day, and then tomorrow's race day. It's gonna be awesome. So we're going to the races. Practice was pretty good. I wasn't really riding as hard as I could have, but yeah. I practiced. It rained for 45 minutes yesterday or more, so now we're driving to the track and practice starts at 8 instead of 7, and it's 8 right now, so but I'm fourth practice. Anyways, it's gonna be sweet. I'll do vlogs between each moto. I'm race 3, 20, 3 and 20. It's gonna be awesome. Driving to the track. It's gonna be like over a hill. There's just gonna be like a sick motocross track with hundreds of people and campers and RVs. Like right when we go over a big hill, it's gonna be like this, and then just a boom, a motocross track. It's gonna be sick. There it is. Is that it?
Yeah, it's campers.
Motocross. Here it is. Pawnee Cycle Park. Fastest motocross races in the nation.
In a half mile, you will arrive at your destination.
Oh, yeah. Oh, practice hasn't started yet.
Yeah, see this arrows? See the arrow, Tyler?
What arrow?
Right there, you just went by it.
Holy shit, it's muddy.
They're gonna run you around that stuff.
Well, track looks good, kind of.
You've arrived.
So first moto, I got second, did pretty good. I made a couple mistakes. Second moto, I got second, rode pretty good. Made some mistakes. Third moto, I won. Fourth moto, I still got fourth moto. Hopefully I can get it. It's gonna be awesome. And look at this tumbleweed. It's huge, like, it's like about up to my waist. Right here. That's what happens when there's wind and your sun thing breaks. Anyways, we're gonna go get trophies. It got rained out, if you can see. Not totally surprising, but I got a first and a second today. First in Super Mini 12 or 13 to 16, and second 85. Look at these guys, they're racing.
Lady, come on, lady, come on.
Oh, they were racing.
Keep moving.
There's a lot of clueless people at motocross races, that's one thing I'll say.
You better blog that.
Yeah, I might get in trouble. So, there's been people sliding all over this place. We saw people that get towed, like here's some. Yeah! Anyways, these are my trophies. I got a second and a first. It's awesome.
Wheel, and then it'll all be good.
Oh, shit.
Hey, you're going down the middle of the road.